Welcome to our channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's video is very special for those people who are struggling with creating a TikTok pixel. I get a lot of DMs from people saying, please make a video on TikTok pixel creation. So this video is exactly for them. So let's start with how you can create a TikTok pixel. First, you need to go to your TikTok ads dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will see multiple options like dashboard, campaigns, tools, analytics, etc. You need to go to the tools section, then click on management, and then click on events. Once you're in events, on the left-hand side, you will see a green button that says connect data source. Click on that. After clicking, a page will open where you'll have to choose your data source. Since we are attaching the pixel to a website, you need to click on web. Now, here you will paste the URL of your website. For example, I'll copy my website URL and paste it here. After that, click next. Now we want to attach the TikTok pixel manually. So select manual and click next. You'll then see three options. Ignore the last two and select only the first one that TikTok recommends. Click next. Here you can give your pixel any name. For example, I can name it Best Buy Pixel or simply TikTok Pixel. The name is just for your reference. It doesn't affect the pixel's functionality. After naming your pixel, click next. TikTok will now generate a base code for you. Copy this code. Now you need to paste this code into your Shopify website. Let's go to the Shopify dashboard. On your Shopify homepage, on the left-hand side, you will see the online store option. If it doesn't show, go to Sales Channels and add the online store option from there. Click on Online Store and you'll see your theme. Scroll down until you find the Customize button, and next to it, there will be an option to edit code. Click on Edit Code, then on the left-hand side, look for the theme.liquid file. Inside theme.liquid, find the Head section. Wherever you see the Head section, paste your pixel base code there. Press Enter twice, paste the code, then press Enter again and save it. Once saved, go back to your TikTok Ads Manager and click Next since you've already pasted the code. On the next page, you'll see the option for Automatic Advanced Matching. Enable this option. After that, click on Launch Event Builder. This will allow you to create events. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to load, so don't worry if it doesn't show immediately. Just wait and the events page will appear. TikTok usually recommends 2 events automatically. CompletePayment, Place an Order will add these directly. For CompletePayment, select it and type /thankyou as the URL path, then confirm. Next, for Place an Order, again select it and type thank you as the URL path, then confirm. Now your pixel events are created. Click Finish Setup and then Exit Now. After that, click Next a few more times. On the final setup page, select e-commerce as your business type because you are running an e-commerce store. That's it. Your TikTok pixel is now created and successfully integrated with your Shopify store. Thank you for watching. This is Ecom Global. Don't forget, if you need results, if you need stability, if you need solutions, the fastest and safest way is always through our WhatsApp support. Reach out today and let's get your TikTok ads back on track.